how millions of tons of sheep wool and meat are shockingly produced in modern megafactories. Forget peaceful pastures and idyllic hillsides. Step into a world where sheep farming is a data-driven, high-performance system. Massive, high-security farms run like a biological production line. Here, sheep are tracked from birth. Every movement, heartbeat, and gram of feed logged and analyzed. Why? Because this is not your grandpa's farm. This is high-yield livestock management, where timing, genetics, and nutrient intake are tightly controlled. Sheep wear RFID ear tags. Sensors monitor their body mass, wool thickness, and disease risk in real time. Machines decide what they eat, when they breed, and how fast they grow. It's not nature versus nurture. It's nature optimized by AI. Why are thousands of sheep traveling by ocean cargo? Can a sheep really be sheared in 60 seconds? When the shearing machines hum to life, it's a full-blown industrial blitz. Imagine 100 shearers, 300 sheep per hour, and no room for error. A sheep is flipped, clipped, and rolled out in under 2 minutes. Its entire fleece comes off in a single, intact sheet. This isn't just speed, it's choreography. Conveyor belts whoosh fleece into suction tunnels that lead straight to the sorting room. Here, fiber is graded by robots, using infrared lasers, examining tensile strength, texture, and cleanliness in seconds. And this isn't manual labor. It's a wool harvest powered by machine vision. Raw wool is greasy, dirty, and filled with lanolin, sweat, and soil. So the next stop? Industrial cleaning. It's called scouring, and it's brutal. Gigantic tanks boil fleece in detergent-filled water. It passes through 6 chemical baths, each one stripping away a layer of impurities. By the end, the wool has lost nearly 50% of its weight. But it's reborn, fluffy, bright, and snow white. Air cannons blast it dry, while filters reclaim lanolin, worth thousands per barrel for the cosmetics industry. That greasy clump of wool? It just became high-value textile gold. The cleaned wool now enters a sci-fi sorting chamber. Ultra-precise lasers scan every fiber. AI-powered systems assign each batch a grade, based on micron thickness. The smaller the micron, the softer the wool. Fine merino, sorted for luxury suits. Medium grade, for blankets and upholstery. Coarse wool, destined for insulation, soundproofing, or even car interiors. The wool is then compacted into 250 kilogram bales, wrapped tight and tagged with QR codes for full traceability. These bales are so valuable, a single pallet can be worth over $20,000. Wool may be glamorous, but meat brings in bulk revenue. In the same facility, the meat line starts. Each sheep is guided through a humane, high-efficiency processing channel. Inspections are done by vets and AI scanners before the animal even steps inside. Once cleared, the transition is seamless. Hydraulic lifts suspend the carcass. Automated blades move with surgeon-like precision. Every cut,
motion. Pre-programmed to extract maximum yield in minimum time. We're talking thousands of sheep per day. Every one processed with factory floor precision. This is not a butcher's table. This is a meat disassembly line run by cold steel robots. Robotic arms equipped with blades, clamps, and sensors dissect the carcass based on its fat percentage and marbling. High-resolution cameras scan every cut, instantly directing the machine to optimize for steaks, chops, or mince. A lamb that once took hours to butcher, now portioned, packed, and sealed in under 3 minutes. Meat is vacuum sealed, barcoded, and flash chilled. Zero bacteria, zero waste, maximum profit. Here's where it gets crazier. Nothing is thrown away. The parts you'd expect to discard, they're gold. The flatures, bones become high-protein additives or ground into bone meal for crops. Organs are sorted for pharmaceuticals or sold as exotic cuisine in global markets. Boule, Grease, once trash, is filtered into lanolin, the secret ingredient in lotions, lip balms, and skin creams. Blood is processed into fertilizer or animal feed. Even wastewater from cleaning systems is recycled through filtration plants. It's not a slaughterhouse. It's an ecosystem of extraction. Now comes the global sprint. Within hours, meat and wool are loaded into smart containers. GPS-tracked pallets, temperature sensors, and real-time analytics monitor every shipment. A single shipment can supply coats in Milan, lamb racks in Dubai, and lanolin for skincare factories in Korea, all from the same facility. What started in the outback now touches 5 continents in under a week. This isn't farming, this is synchronized global trade. Behind that soft wool sweater or gourmet lamb chop is an operation more complex than a car factory. From DNA-tested breeding to robotic butchering, the sheep industry is now a billion-dollar tech sector in disguise. So next time you zip up your wool jacket or lather on a lanolin cream, pause and think. That comfort was engineered. That flavor was optimized. That product was part of a precision factory where nothing goes to waste. Thought to leave you with? Who knew that one animal could power high fashion, 5-star dining, skincare industries, and still leave behind fertilizer for your garden? Still think sheep are simple?